Hello everyone, I am Purba from Nadia, West Bengal. I am currently pursuing my PGP-MBA at ISMS Pune and my journey here has been truly impactful and career focused. What makes this program unique is its triple certification advantage, which adds immense value to our profiles and gives us a competitive edge in the job market. The curriculum is designed to be highly practical and industry oriented, allowing us to learn beyond textbook through real-world applications. Alongside academics, the Institute offers skill development certificates that enhance our professional capabilities and prepare us for corporate challenges. Another highlight of my experience has been the multiple industry visits, which provide direct exposure to how organizations function and help us connect theory with practice. I truly appreciate the continuous support and guidance from the faculty and mentors. ISMS Pune is shaping me into a confident and industry-ready professional.